single day. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hi guys, first off I'm starting by applying a primer all over my eyelid, and I'm going in with the concealer from Kryolan, and this one is in D14. Then I'm going in with the Jeffree Artistry palette with the shade called Self Made, and I'm just applying it just below my brow bone and above my cut crease, or rather above my crease. Then very lightly I'm going in with the Essence Superfine eyeliner pen just to kind of like lightly outline where I want to like cut my crease. Then I'm going in again from Essence Cosmetic using the eyeliner, a super precise eyeliner, just to kind of like darken that outline that we did previously. Then I'm using my concealer just to kind of clean out that line and also to make it look a bit neater and straighter. Then I'm going in with the glitter, liquid glitter, and this one is from NYX, and this one is called Diamond Dust. Then I'm going in again with the Essence eyeliner, and I'm just placing another line just below that glitter. And using this type of liquid liner can be quite a mess, especially if you're using a darker shade. So guys, just be careful with it, but if you end up messing up, it's not a big deal, because now I'm going in with the concealer again, and I'm just gonna straighten that line and also clean out that mess that we just made. Then from Anastasia Beverly Hills, Alyssa Edwards palette, I'm going in with a purple shade called Believe. And also to kind of like tone down that purple, I'm going in with a shade called Headliner. It's like a white, cream white shade. Then from the same palette, I'm going in with that yellow shade called Brick Road. And then from Jeffree Artistry palette, I'm going in with a pink shade called Pink Fleet. And then right at the corner of my eye, I'm going in with a shade called Mogul. Then I'm just quickly placing random dots on my eyelid. They don't have to be perfect, so that's what I'm doing using the liquid liner. Once that's done, I'm going in with the LA Girl gel liner called Very Black, and I'm just outlining the top lashes. And right at the bottom, I'm going in with the BYS cream liner in white. Then from Essence Cosmetic, I'm using their mascara, and this one is called Get Big Lashes. Then again from Anastasia Beverly Hills, I'm going in with an eyeshadow called Inspire, and I'm placing it on the tear ducts of my eye. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl spray primer spray, and I'm applying it before applying the foundation. And then I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation, and I'm just gonna make sure that I place all the products that I use in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. So using my foundation brush, just kind of like blend all that in properly. Then again here I'm using the Kryolan Concealer, and this one is a shade called NB3, just to highlight underneath my eyes, as well as the bridge of my nose and my cupid's bow, my forehead, and my chin area. Again from Kryolan, I'm going in with a darker shade for contouring, and this one is a D14. Just to give an illusion of a straighter face, that's why I'm doing this, as well as highlighting the center of my nose, just in case you were wondering. Then quickly using the same brush as I used for my foundation, I'm using it to kind of like blend out that highlight. Just making sure that I blend out the contour as well, so it doesn't look so harsh, and also just to kind of like make sure the demarcation lines are not visible. So now I'm going in with the e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder, and this one is in Warm Tan, and I'm just using it on top of that contouring cream contour that we just applied, making sure that I blend it all in very well. And also applying it on the sides of my nose, just to set that cream contour as well. Then I'm going in with a blush, and this one is from MAC Cosmetics, and it's called Frankly. Then again from e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm going in with a Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder, and this one is called Sunkissed, and I'm just using to highlight those features that I want to stand out, such as the bridge of my nose, as well as just on top of my cheeks, rather, where just on top of that blush, as well as my cupid's bow. Then I changed my mind and I decided, you know what, on my tear ducts area I'm just gonna place a highlighter. So I decided to change what I had placed there earlier, and just making sure that I blend it all in properly. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl lip liner, and this one is called Chocolate, just to kind of contour my lips. And I'm going in with my favorite lipstick from e.l.f., and this one is called Fantasy. And that's about it, you guys. I certainly hope that you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, guys, bye bye.